Well, we're at the end of another trading day, and here on the Daily Market Summary, we're being joined by Taylor Engum of agmarket.net. And Taylor, I know the corn and beans started overnight lower, soybeans kind of bounced back. Did corn follow suit, or did it kind of hold down the negative side? And what happened in those grains today?
Yeah, we had weak action in corn in particular, kind of a mixed bag in the soybeans, but the weaker energies, I think, is what was driving down corn for most of the day today.
And so, what was been putting the pressure on? I know there's a lot of concern about weather, but also concern about this back and forth. What we're hearing out of the Middle East, has that been more of the mover today?
I think the Iran headlines and Trump's full cabinet press conference has definitely been having an impact on energy markets, and those macro effects are what's pushing into all of our ag commodities as well.
So, in case any of our viewers didn't hear what happened at that press conference, the kind of shape what happened, what did the president have to say?
So I don't feel that there's any real definitive direction on the way that the conflict in the Middle East is going. I think that Trump is trying to make a case that it's going to be over pretty soon, but the energy market seems to be buying into that narrative, but some of financial markets aren't quite so sure just yet.
We understand there's some trepidation. I mean, obviously, the energy markets reacted positively when the war started. They all skyrocketed, took grains along for the ride. So it's kind of easy to see that if things start to slow down, that opposite's going to have an effect.
Yeah, I think that if we do see continued disruptions in the Middle East, we could see the commodity markets, grains in particular, rally off of some of that news. But in the short term, right now, I think that there's just continued uncertainty, which is why we see the mixed bag results in the grains.
Then Taylor, as we look at the livestock side of things, cattle and hogs both looked positive going into the midday break. How did they finish up here today?
Yeah, livestock had a great day today. Feeder cattle, live cattle, and hogs all finished strongly today. They been getting beat up for a week or so, but I think they're definitely benefiting from some cheaper grain right now. So good day for the livestock.
And was it the cheaper grain that just really was the support there? I mean, because you were talking some triple digit gains across all three, at least at the midday.
Yeah, there's a lot of you know moving averages and some lower support levels that we were taking a stab at in the last few days, and so I think that we held some of those averages that we were looking at, and today was a positive reversal off of some of those lows, and hopefully we can see it continue.
All right. Well, Taylor, if folks want to learn a little bit more about some of the intel that agmarket.net has available, or talk to somebody about some market strategies, where's a good place to get those conversations going?
Yeah, visit our website agmarket.net and get in touch with any of our brokers.
All right. Taylor Ingham's been our guest here with agmarket.net. Taylor, thanks so much for the insight. We'll talk to you again real soon.
Thanks for having me.